And I'll put up a chart here, actually, which contrasts two things. That is the value of the dollar and the value of the stock market, as shown as the S&P 500, which basically shows that as the stock market has gone up, the dollar's gone down. And there are some economists who argue that, in fact, that's an indication the markets don't believe in the growth, because if they believed in the growth, the dollar would be going up. Are they right?
Well, there's going to be growth. The question is the growth in the U.S. going to outperform the growth in other places? Is it going to outperform what would have happened without the tax cuts? And that chart, plus the fact that, as Paul Krugman's pointed out, a bunch of other stock indices around the world have gone up at least as much as the U.S. stock indice, seems to say that the U.S. will do fine as part of this global recovery, but it's not going to get that much of an extra boost from the tax cuts. Now, I personally view that some of the Democrats are underestimating the short-term growth impact of the tax cuts, because there's a lot more budget busting going on there than people realize, and because it is a direct redistribution to rich people. So I think you will get more growth plus the deregulation, but I don't think it's sustainable growth. I think you're going to get a couple of years of growth that the Trump administration will be able to tout, but it's not going to raise the growth rate of the U.S. on an ongoing basis.